Hey friends, welcome to the Great Thinkers channel. Top 20 Best Small Business Ideas for Beginners After Pandemic. Starting a small business after the effect of pandemic can be risky or frightening, and requires plenty of planning. There are many small business ideas which can be beneficial as well as economical. The last thing a new entrepreneur or new business needs is to be found in a financial state due to unnecessary spending when starting a small business. The key is to remember, it is small and initially, the intention should be to limit spending until a profit is made. So, let's get started with the top 20 small business ideas for beginners. The number 1, Yoga and Fitness Center. This business will be put more priority on people who wants to be healthy. The number 2, start a catering business. This is one of the ways to provide food on special functions, event and parties, to make some decent amount of profit. The number 3, travel and tourism agency business. People often travel to different destination and region. So, travel agency is a business which is never going to stop, so make sure, start a travel company. The number 4, fast food shop or restaurant to provide quality food. Number 5, starting coffee and chocolate cafes. All of us love coffee and chocolate. You can make decent amount of profit with this enterprise business. Number 6, fitness programs, by running fitness courses. The number 7 is, one product restaurant. This capitalizes on one specific type of food, and it might sound crazy but, it makes many millions. The number 8, internet hosted security provider. Get paid to keep other people's websites secure, and free from hackers, spyware, trojans, and other viruses. Number 9 is, data backup. By helping others, to back up all their data, so they can retrieve it. The number 10 is, surveillance camera. These are very demanding items for these days. The number 11 is, start massage business, and the number 12 is, home improvement services. Number 13 is, educational programs. The number 14 is, software and application development. The number 15 is, consulting services. This is one of the top business ideas if you already have working experience. This is a great area where you can start your business if you have the knowledge on other firms by expand your consulting services, and even can earn good amount of money. The number 16, selling car and spare parts. Now, the number 17 is, professional car washing business. This can be a good business, if you choose big cities and towns, where you will be able to find a number of good cars. Number 18, internet connection provider service. You can provide fast internet connection at affordable monthly price, and manage it well enough to make plenty of decent money. Number 19 is, start furniture and carpenter business. Number 20 is, pure water production business. The internet is a great resource for small business ideas. Thousands of people have great ideas for a business venture but require assistance. Fortunately, there is plenty of help available for new and aspiring entrepreneurs. There are plenty of valuable websites that contain small business ideas. So check out and get more business ideas and also share your own business idea below the comment. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more informative content, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.